Add interest to your journaling using the Type tool and the Shape tool. This video is being filmed in expert mode of Photoshop Elements, but the instructions are exactly the same for Photoshop except where noted. Here's a preview of what we'll be creating together. I'll be showing you an easy way to add journaling to the border of your pages. I've already opened a new 12 by 12 inch document and pressed the letter D to reset the color chips to the default of black over white. First, we're going to create the shape that we'll be using as a guide for the journaling. Get the rectangle tool. It's nested with the other shape tools. In the tool options, click on the color chip and click on the color wheel to open the color picker. In the color picker, choose a medium gray and then click OK. Open the geometry options and choose fixed size. Set the width to 10.5 inches and the height to 10.5 inches. Click on the new shape layer icon. If applicable, set the style to none. Photoshop users will find the settings in the manual. Keeping the square shape at 10.5 inches will allow for enough room on the edge of the page to ensure that your journaling isn't cut off during the printing process. On the document, click and drag out a shape near the top left corner to create a square. In the tool options, set the geometry options back to unconstrained. Photoshop users set the path options back to unconstrained. Press Ctrl-A, Command-A on a Mac to select the entire document and then get the Move tool. In the tool options, click on the Align Vertical Centers icon and the Align Horizontal Centers icon. Press Ctrl-D, Command-D on a Mac to deselect. Next, we're going to add some journaling. Get the Horizontal Type tool, and in the tool options, open the font picker and choose a print style journaling font. I'm using Courier. Set the size to 13 and press Enter or Return. Set the leading to Auto and the tracking to 0. Photoshop users can find the leading and tracking in the character panel. Click on the center align icon and then click on the color chip and choose black. When choosing a font, it's best to use fonts that are easy to read, print style, ones that contain both upper and lowercase letters, and to use a journaling font size between 12 and 14 points. You'll want to avoid using script style fonts or using fonts that are in all caps. On the document, hover your cursor over the top right corner until you see the I-beam with the wavy line through it. Click once to place your cursor, and then type enough journaling to wrap around the corner to gain the artsy effect. Click the check mark to commit the type. In the Layers panel, click and drag the shape layer to the trash. You'll no longer be needing it. You'll want to be careful that none of the words in your sentence are split by the corner. If that happens, here's how you fix that. Get the Horizontal Type tool, and in the Layers panel, double-click on the thumbnail of the type layer to highlight the line of type. Press the left arrow key to place the cursor at the beginning of the line of type. The type should no longer be highlighted. Press the space bar until the corner is no longer splitting a single word, and then click the check mark to commit the type. Lastly, you'll want to finish your page as desired and save it as a layered PSD file with a unique name. Here's my finished page using the limited edition kit by Kim B Designs. My daughter is a college senior this year, and she's off to law school in the fall. I love how easy it was to add interest to my extra journaling. I can't wait to see what you've come up with using this technique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. This has been Gina Harper with Digital Scrapper. We help you get your stories told.